I need somebody help. Not just anybody help. No, I need someone help. And I'm hungry like the wolf. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, I want to do this really fun sit down video with you because I have a Target haul. That's right, I just got back from Target. I literally just stepped back in the door. Here are my Target swatches, like a sister swatch. I just stepped back in the door from Target, sat down to film this video. I'm very excited. I have some things to show you. I'm very excited. I love Target, guys. I love Target so much. I don't get like what is so fascinating about Target. I don't know how many things I have here. I mean, it's not too much, but it's a good amount. But anyways, if you would like to see the Target haul that I have here, then keep on watching. If you can tell, I re-dyed the roots to my hair, so everything is very blonde right now. I do like it a lot. I'm just not used to it being like this blonde. Anyway, let's jump right in. First thing I have here, and this I saw on my Instagram and I thought it was so interesting. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. This is basically a magnetic clay mask. Here's what it looks like the packaging. It looked so interesting when I saw it. And basically what you do is you have this, I'm gonna open it because I really want to do a video on this. I think it's gonna be so interesting. So basically you take this pot of stuff right here. Here is the mask, and then here is like the scraper. You put it on with this and scrape it across your face. Then you let it sit for a couple minutes, and then this right here is a magnet, and then it just like magnetizes off. It's so interesting. I can't wait to use it. I'm super excited, and I saw it on my Instagram like I said, and it looked really cool. Like the way they made it look, I was like, oh, I'm mesmerized. So I'm super excited to try that. Next, I have a few Pixi items, which I'm very excited about. I love Pixi as a brand. I just spat all over you if you could actually see that. It was ridiculous. I got these Pixi makeup removers. They're like, that sounded so weird. They're like makeup remover wipes, and I wanted to try these out. They have chamomile and grapeseed oil. I'm really excited, and the thing is that I wanted to try these out, just find a good makeup remover cleansing wipe, because I do a lot of swatches just in general, and this right here is going to be really hard to get off. So I do want to give these a shot. Might as well go ahead and just do it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and open these up here. Grab one out of here like this. And then I'm going to try to wipe this off. So, I mean, I'm actually trying really hard here. It's not coming off. This is like, I'm doing like a first impressions right here. Yeah, I mean, it's not coming off. It's not really coming off very easily. Maybe these aren't the best, because they say like, it says gently removes even waterproof makeup. Like, this is not waterproof, this is just matte. And it's, I don't know, you guys, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm gonna throw that away. Maybe that wasn't the best because that didn't remove any of it. Just kind of like smeared it around. I don't know. And then next, I picked up some of the, or just one, but it's a highlighter. These looked beautiful. These are the Pixi by Petra. Again, super pretty colors. I love this rose gold color here. And I'm gonna open these and do a little swatch. This is basically a haul slash first impressions video. If I can get these open, that would be wonderful. Maybe I could just use my sharp nails to get them open. Nope, it's not working either. I need a pin. I got it, and I did not need a pin. So here is what they look like. They had two shades of this one. They had this and a more bronzy, like two bronzy shades. So here, see, this one's really, actually I think this one's the rose gold one. I'm not entirely sure which one I pointed at, but I do want to give these a quick little swatch. Ooh, now these are pretty. Let me see if I can. Oh, now these are gorgeous. I love these. Look at that. Can you see that? So here is that rose gold one, and then the bronzy shade is right there. Those are really pretty. I like those a lot. Those definitely make up for these. I'm really excited about that because I did not expect this to be as good, but it really is. I do like it. I'm just gonna put it back in its packaging. because as you know, I keep everything in its packaging for like 2 months and then I finally take it out. Next, the last Pixie thing that I got was this beautiful blush. Like guys, look how gorgeous that is. It's like an ombre blush that's so pretty. They had 2 shades. They had this one and they had one that was more like peachy, but I 100% for my skin tone, I prefer a more of like a pinkish, very bright blush, even though I try not to use too much of it, but let's be real, sometimes I look like, you know, a strawberry. It's like, so it was a lot smaller than I thought it was. This blush is beautiful. It's really, really pretty. Look at this shade, or shades. So I will definitely stick over in this area because this would be about a bronzer for me. And it looks like it has a tiny bit of shimmer in it. I can't really, maybe not. Maybe it doesn't have any shimmer, but that is super pretty. I can't really show you a blush swatch because, I mean, it's blush. But this is super pretty. I really, really like this, and I may try using this as a bronzer just because it's definitely too dark for me to use as blush, but this is very pretty. I'm excited to give this a shot. Like, guys, the thing is that I love all makeup. It doesn't matter if it's like, you know, bougie. I don't mean bougie in a bad way. I mean like, you know, just makeup from, you know, these high-end brands, you know, from like Smashbox, stuff like that. It doesn't particularly matter to me. As long as it's good makeup, I'll buy from anywhere. So that's all the Pixie stuff here. And last items that I have, and these are the majority of the stuff that I have, are from Maybelline. And I kind of went a little Maybelline crazy. It was kind of ridiculous. But I'm very, very happy that I did because I picked up, first thing, and you literally just saw these, so I'll go ahead and go through these with you. I picked up 4 different shades of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And here is one of the shades, this really pretty red, this deep red. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you while I'm here. And then, so I'm going to swatch them right here on my hand. So this really beautiful deep red shade, was obsessed with that the second that I saw it. And then I got this one, which is another, it's not a red, but this one's more of like a berry toned color. Again, super pretty. Love that shade. And then I picked up 2 nudes because you guys know I'm not a big nude wearer, but I'm trying to branch out and I feel like I am heavily in the minority when it comes to this because I feel like everybody and their mom wears nudes and I'm just like reds and pinks and everything all day long. But I'm trying to branch out especially because I'm trying to do, like, sometimes I do a lot of crazy eye looks, like really heavy eye makeup, and I don't want to have to wear like a red lip with like a dark smoky eye because I feel like that would just be, you know, too much. Or like with a rainbow eye, might be a little too much. And then I got, this is the last one, and of course I'll tell you all the colors and the shades and everything in just a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the last one for you here. And this one is the palest one, I think, out of all of them, but they are still very, very pretty. This one to the far right is the shade Loyalist, right here. And then next to that is Voyager, right here. And then next to that is Ruler, right here. And then last but absolutely not least is 60 right here, which is called Poet. And I actually may go ahead and just put one on just so I can test out the formula. I'm gonna go with this one, Poet, right now because I'm not wearing any other makeup at the moment. I just wanted to kind of like film this with no makeup, no worries. Don't worry about a thing. So I'm gonna go grab a mirror and then I will put this one on to see how the formula is. So the color is not bad at all. I don't know what it is. Please let me know what you think because I think the color is really fine, but I just don't know how it looks on me. I feel like it washes me out. Like, I like the formula so far. I just don't know if this color is good for me or not. So here is that shade here. And again, I like the formula. I think the formula is really good. It is a little sticky. I don't know. This didn't feel like an actual like matte liquid lip. It felt kind of like a satin almost, but it says it's a matte ink, so I'm not entirely sure how it's supposed to dry down. It is a tiny bit sticky, but it doesn't feel bad on the mouth or anything like that. I like the formula. Again, I'm not sold on this color. I think it may just be my skin tone because, again, these two I'm sure I will absolutely adore because they're red. I just don't know what to do about this. I don't hate this by any means, but I feel like I will hate this because this is lighter than this. And if I'm not sure about this, I'm not gonna like this one. I can just go ahead and tell you right now, but I will keep you updated. Again, love the formula so far. All right, next I have this right here, and I have to thank Tati for this because I watched her video on these. And again, when I first did my when I did my first Target haul and I got this highlighter, I did not know Tati had talked about it until like a couple days or a week after that. So I picked up the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Rose Gold, is in Molten Rose Gold. Molten Rose Gold, because I saw her review the Molten Gold shade and I was like, oh my god, that's amazing. And Tati looked beautiful wearing it and I was like, I want to be beautiful too. So I went out and got it, and then she talked about this one and I was like, oh my god, that Molten Gold shade is a little too gold for my skin tone, but this one won't be. So I was super excited about it, and the thing is that this was the last one, and I know I say that about a lot of things. It's the last one that they had. Oh my god, it's like fate. But guys, I seriously, like, I don't understand why that happens. Like, I get the last one of a lot of things. So here is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Right here, Molten Rose Gold. Oh yes. Yes. And then let me just watch it really quick. Oh, that's so pretty. Can you see that right there? Oh, I knew I was gonna love it. Maybelline kills it with these highlighters. I don't know if they have any like other highlighters. I haven't really looked, but Maybelline kills it with these highlighters, and I'm so glad to have this. Can't wait. The only one they actually had in stock was the holographic one, the pure white one, and then they had this one, which is the only ones left. All the other ones, the Molten Rose or the Molten Gold, the other ones have been sold out except for this one and that holographic, the white shade. So very excited to keep this and put this into my collection because I'm gonna love it to pieces. And we are on to our very last item. Very makeup heavy in this haul. Didn't really get very much skincare except for this right here, but I saw this all over my Instagram. I wasn't going to get it when I saw it on Instagram, but it was all over Instagram, like, because I follow Maybelline, and it wasn't even like that was all they were posting about. They were doing like eye looks and that it smells like lemons and stuff like that. So I got this, the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. I do believe these are all eyeshadows. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I will definitely look at the back, but I think they're all eyeshadows. Yeah, 12 pan eyeshadow palette, and I want to see if these are any good. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little swatchy poo. Now, first things first, does it smell like lemonade or lemons? Let's see. I can't tell. As you know, I don't have the world's strongest nose. I feel like I smell something, but then again, it could be placebo. I'm not entirely sure, so I can't tell you if it does or not. But here are what these shades look like more up close. And this doesn't have a mirror in it, so I can just do this, make it a bit easier. So going from the bottom, here are all the shades. I will say the shades look very pretty. There are a lot of shimmer shades in this palette and matte shades, so I think it does look really good. Let's go ahead and do some swatches as well. I'm just going to keep you zoomed in just so you can see the swatches. So we're going to go into Main Squeeze, and they feel very creamy, so that is a plus. Very pretty. Sugar coated. Ooh, that's nice. Strawberry Lemonade. Again, super nice. And then let's just go ahead and do the citrus shade. So I've got all of the shimmer shades are right here. Let's go ahead and, that's pretty, a little sheer. That one was the Main Squeeze. I don't know if it's because of the lighting, you can't see it as well. Ooh, that one was really nice. That one came off super clean. That one's called Sugar Coated. And then the third one, oh, that one's pretty as well. That one is Strawberry Lemonade. And then the last one, again, very pretty. That one's called Citrus. So these are super pretty colors. I do like them a lot. Yeah, I'm excited to play around with this and see what it's like blending, if it blends well, or if I like it putting it on my eyes. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. And guys, I have to say, the longer that I have this lip on, the more I actually like it. I don't know what it is. I kind of like it. Quick side note, it really does not dry down. It gets dry at this point because I've had it on for about 7 minutes since I put it on. And it's still sticky. If you can see that, it's still a little sticky. It's not bad though. It's definitely not like unwearable sticky or anything by any means, but the more that I have this on, the more I actually do like it. That is going to be the video, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy. I am so excited to play with all this stuff and see what I like. I mean, I'm basically did a haul slash first impressions, and I'm really happy about that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you liked it, then please go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.